Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're finally going to change the brake pads. I'm just going to do the rear today and show you that. If you could do the rear, you could do the front. So I got these on Amazon for like 22 bucks. I will show a link to you in the description below. You could check out, these are the premium ones. These are kind of made for the electric bikes. So we're going to change the brake pads because I've had this for about 1,200 miles, and this brake on the rear is really loose. If you look at it, you can feel that this really goes back all the way back. In fact, let me show you a video. Let me just show you that right now. So if you can see, the normal brake is fine. It goes about there, right? This brake here, look at this. It goes all the way back. It's super loose, right? So, you know, not so great. Now also notice there's a little screw here that should be about flush to this, okay? And this screw is the distance that this goes, right? So if this screw sticks out a lot, this will come in. And so your distance between neutral and ground and pressure is really close, right? So the distance is right, but it just has no brake. So that to me tells me that these brakes in the back are bad, or the pads are bad, so I'm gonna fix that. So that's the first thing. Check that out. Look for leaks too. It looks like there's no leaks. We're good here. Everything's dry, so I don't think we have a problem there. The first step here, here's the back caliper. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two bolts to take this unit off, okay? And then we'll be able to change the pad, which is this little guy here. You'll see it in a minute. This is that little fellow there. So we'll, let me pull these guys off, and then we'll do the next step, okay? Here we go, let's do it. Okay, so I loosened this up. This was nice and tight and super tight by the factory. Now there is a little washer there, so don't lose that puppy. And let's do this together. I've never done this, so we're kind of experimenting. Oh, there's that freaking washer, and there was that little guy. Now, that was interesting. That one had an extra little piece. I don't know why, but oh, you know what? That might have been to that. Oh yeah. So there are little washers. Can you see? There's a little washer. Actually, there's gonna be a washer between these two pieces and on top there. So there we go. We took it out, and it actually doesn't look like it's worn. So I'm super curious of why it was doing that. Well, let's change it anyway and see what happens. So, I mean, I don't really know the difference between a worn one and a new one, but I assumed that that pad would be gone, but maybe not. So let's take it off and see what happens. Okay, to remove the caliper, there is this little 2.5 millimeter hex that you put in here, and this is the only thing that connects it. So we'll unscrew this and take it off right now. Do that. Okay, I removed the caliper with the bad the pads. Now, I don't know if you can see good, these pads. They don't look that bad, to be honest. Not at all. Now, if I look at these compared to the brand new ones, right? Can you see this? This is so hard to see, dude. You can see, can you see the there's not much difference at all. Like, I'm really surprised that there's any difference. So, I don't know. Now I'm like kind of nervous or worried that it's not the pads. Maybe it was something else. But, you know, I rode it for over a freaking 1,000 miles. So let's change it and just see what happens, right? I mean, we might be doing a couple videos here just to like do some troubleshooting on why that was doing that. But let's find out. Let's do it. Okay, I got my new caliper. Probably should be using gloves, huh? My human oily fingers. And now we're gonna put this here back with the new calipers. And I'm gonna just squeeze this mofo back in here. I think it, my gosh. That was easy peasy. Lemon squeezy, okay. Freaking A, dude, is that it? Whoa, what happened? Okay, no, it's good. Dude, if it's this easy, why didn't I do it? Here's the thing, man. I spend, you know, $300, $3,000 on this damn bike. I don't have a car. So, like, I don't want to screw this up. That's basically the gist. So I get nervous because I haven't done it before. It's like the first time I changed the oil in my car. Now I could do that anytime, right? So it's just the first time I try something, I get scared. Okay, so it's on. You guys see that? That was like really simple. So I'm gonna slap this guy back on here. Ooh, it is. There's not much space there. It is tight. You can feel how tight that is. But we're gonna like fiddle fart with it. I'm gonna now put these back. Remember, there was this washer underneath, and then there's a washer on top with this here. We're gonna get this aligned, and I think it shouldn't be too hard to do. And then we'll give it a little test ride. See how it goes. Shouldn't be too bad. We'll just put them on here, and then we'll kind of adjust them. And I think what you're supposed to do is you can use the brake. We're gonna pull on the brake to give it the to make sure it gets in there good. Okay. Yeah, if this works, dude, I'm gonna be super excited because this is easy. Let's find out. Hopefully you can see in this video. It's kind of not the best. Okay. Now let me pull on this. I think what we're supposed to do is, I think I'm supposed to go like this. Yeah, much better. Much better. Like that. Then let go. And then tighten it. I could tell it fixed it. So even though the pad itself appeared to have pad material, I don't know what this is called, but the pad looks like it's still got tons, right? I mean, you really couldn't tell much difference. So even though there's a lot of width on here, still, when I put the new ones in, the handlebar, the brake, you can feel it now. It's not going all the way to the grip. It's actually, it feels normal like the other one. So that might be it. Now I'm tightening it, and I think the test now is to see if I aligned it properly. I'm going to lift the bike tire up and spin it, and I'll let you experience that with me, and we'll see what happens. So let's do it. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't sound. Does that sound weird to you? It sounded right to me, dude. Dude. Okay, I think we got action. And let me just look here. You can see it. It's not really moving like the other one. This one you can really see the grip. This one, I don't see this moving like it did before. Maybe that's because of tight. Okay, we'll go on a ride, and the ride will tell us for sure. Let me just tighten everything up. Make sure I got it all on there right. There's only two things you have to do, basically, guys. You take these two guys to take it off the bike, and then this is just one Allen wrench. That's it. Let me just tighten these guys up. Oh, mas. And then we're gonna go on a ride. And we'll check it out. Cool. Okay. Let's go check it out. Okay, let's try this. Yes! Braking power! Feel that. Yeah. No sound. Smooth as freaking butter, dude. I love it. I'm so excited. Let me tell you, dude. Can I tell you how much I love this bike and how easy it is to fix things? I fixed things. I've modded things. This is like cake, and there is a satisfaction element to it all. When you do it yourself, dude. I just changed the brakes, homie. Do you know how big baller that is? You know what I'm saying? It is awesome. I'm loving it. Anyway, this is great. This is my video. You guys are great. Watch the channel. We'll do more. I'm coming into the HQ. We did it. No sounds. Braking power. And thank you all. Thank you all for watching. You're the best. You're the best. Check out my other channels. And do yourself a favor. Buy a Super 73. Don't be afraid of fixing your brakes, because it's easy as freaking pie. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.